Hey everyone, welcome to the Globe guys and welcome to Palma de Mallorca.
That's it, we're here in Palma and we're going to be doing one of Mallorca's biggest attractions, and that is the train to Soler. So it's an old fashioned train, it's just waiting behind us. It's going to take us about an hour north to the town of Soler, through the mountains, through tunnels and viaducts, and then in Soler we're going to transfer onto a tram that's going to take us to the seaside town of Port of Soler.
It's going to be, which apparently is beautiful, isn't it?
It is.
So really looking forward to that. It's a beautiful day, so can't really ask for much more, so let's go. So this is going to be really exciting actually. So I can't remember the last time I was ever on a tram like this or a train like this. Probably when I was back in Blackpool, which is where I'm from in the UK, because it feels really old-fashioned. But that's the quaintness of it. It's quite busy. They've only opened a couple of the carriages, it seems, but we're already late leaving, so we're hoping to go any minute now. Oh, there you go. We've got one coming back in. But it's going to be dead exciting. We're going to see so much. It's going to be beautiful, literally up through the Majorcan countryside. We're going to go into the mountains or in the hills, what we're going to call it. It's going to be exciting.
We're on the train now, we've just left Palma, we left a few minutes late. It's a really old train, I think this dates back to something like 1912. I'll find out and clarify that for you in a second. So we're just going out into the suburbs of Palma now and heading up into the mountains. So we've just stopped off at Bunyola station, which is a quaint little town just as you're heading up into the mountains. It's a great place for you to get a few pictures whilst the train stops.
So we've got a bit of a pit stop. It's a photo stop. I'm not sure how long we're here for, 5-10 minutes, just to take some pictures of that kind of this beautiful valley beautiful view that we've got. So we've stopped in a tunnel. Yeah. Not quite sure what's going on, but it's exciting. Is it tense? What's happening? We're standing by to find. Oh, we're moving. We thought we might have broken down. No, I'm only joking.
So we're here now in the town of Soler. It's a little town, and from here you can get a tram to the port of Soler, and we're going to do that a little bit later. But how did you enjoy the
It's
train
really
ride?
good. I mean, there's one of us here that's a train geek, right? As well as a plane geek and everything else, and that's this guy, right? But I did actually really enjoy that. It was really quaint, really authentic, and it was better than I thought it was going to be. It was noisy, all right. There were times where you're like, what? But it was great.
It was. So would you like some fast facts about the Soler Railway?
Yes, please, Mr. Google.
Okay, so it opened in 1912,
Right.
and they are the original train carriages.
Oh wow.
It's 27 kilometres long.
Okay.
We went through 13 tunnels. We went through the Tramontana Mountains, and the railway was given Unesco Heritage Status in 2011.
Wow. Okay.
In terms of 2021, it costs €32 return, and that gets you the train and the tram.
Yep. And we just pitched up. We arrived at the station about 9:40ish.
Yeah, you get
Right.
trains that leave at 10 and 10:40 from Palma,
Yeah.
and then they leave in the other direction from Soler at 4:30 and 5:30.
Yeah. So you have to pick which ones you want, right? And yeah, you buy your ticket and it's a done deal.
So we're going to explore the town of Soler before we head down to the port of Soler. So looking forward to that.
Yeah,
Looks
let's go.
really nice. We've been in Soler for about 3 or 4 minutes. What's your first impressions?
I like it. Well, I mean, we're in a square filled with cafes and street cafes where you can sit and chill and have coffee and cold, refreshing drinks. So what's not to love?
Everything you love.
Hey,
Everything you love.
I know.
What about
Exactly.
the architecture?
The biggest decision we have to make right now is which street cafe to go and sit in.
And what about the architecture?
And the architecture is beautiful. I mean, that that church there is breathtaking.
We're making our obligatory coffee stop. Ivan needs his caffeine boost.
I have one latte coming up.
It's funny actually because Solaire is quite famous for its oranges and lemons, and they make some really nice fresh orange juice. So what do me and Ivan go for? He goes for a macchiato, and I've got a Coke Zero.
But they actually, on the tables, some of the tables, they actually put lemons, which is quite cool.
I've actually got lemon in my Coke.
Have you?
Yeah. So it's kind of authentic.
Very nice. Cheers.
So the central square is really buzzing. It has a market on a Saturday, you've got all the bars and your cafes, but if you come out of the square and down these little quaint alleyways, you can see the real town of Solaire.
Yeah.
It's really quiet and it's shaded.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's really warm. You get little quiet bars down these side streets as well.
Yep, just like that one there. But we've already had a coffee, so we don't need to stop at this one.
Yeah, we've got to get a tram now because we're going down to the port of Solaire.
Yep.
So we've got to head up to the train station again, and I think the tram leaves in about 15 minutes.
15-20 minutes, yeah.
Apparently it takes about 30 minutes on the tram from Solaire down to Port Solaire. They run roughly every hour during the day.
And here's ours arriving, right now.
We've literally just stepped off the tram.
Into paradise.
This is like the Saint-Tropez of Mallorca. It does remind me of the south of France.
It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, look, honestly, first thing I said to Ryan is that reminded me of when we literally docked in Villefranche in the south of France. Beautiful. Love it.
It is a beautiful little town, and as the tram came into the Port of Solaire, we passed the beach, and the beach looks really, really nice, and the sea's crystal blue, so I think we might have to go for a dip a little bit later on.
Definitely.
Some lunch first though.
Some lunch, some food, yep.
Let's find some.
Let's do it. So it's lunchtime. We've found a nice little restaurant here. Got some olives, which is nice. Got some bread. We've ordered spaghetti bolognese and a Caesar salad. And Aperols.
Is that the garlic mayo that we have?
Oh, yeah, the garlic. Oh, and the garlic mayo should go with the garlic bread. Oh, sorry, to go with the bread. It's very nice.
Food has arrived. That Caesar salad looks good. And spaghetti bolognese.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
so that was lunch.
It was lovely. It was lovely. It was lovely. It's just nice. I mean, when you go to these places, you know, you do kind of just dream, oh, we're gonna have a nice lunch sat with a nice vista and just have beautiful food and just enjoy and experience just an hour or two of just chilling out. And we just had it, and it's just been dead nice. It's just been really nice. So we're now going to explore a bit more of Porto de Soler, but you know, definitely get a recommendation for Es Raco de Port here in Porto de Soler. Globe Guys recommendation right there. Boom.
And that's been our day in Soler and Porto de Soler, as well as the railway from Palma. What's been the highlight for you?
Do you know what? I mean, the tram was amazing, wasn't it? I mean, it was.
Yeah, the train ride from Palma was really good. Really
but I have to say, when we came down on the tram and I saw this for the first time, that's something I'm always going to remember. I knew we were on the coast, but I didn't expect it to be like this, if that makes sense. It's beautiful.
It's absolutely stunning. So we've had a really nice day. We were going to go for a swim now, but the sun's gone in.
So are you now changing your mind, are you?
I don't know, we'll have to see. Watch your space. Maybe that'll be on the outtake.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
But it's been amazing. It's been amazing.
And if you've enjoyed this video, if you've seen any of our videos and you've enjoyed those as well, we'd love for you to subscribe to us. Please hit that subscribe button, then you get all the instant notifications whenever we drop new content.
Absolutely. Check out our website, www.theglobeguys.com. We also are digital business owners, so we help people who have no experience, who just want to start working in the online world. We help them do that. So if you're interested in finding out more about that, then check out our website as well for that.
Which is great because you can even work whilst you're in places like these.
You can.
Right.
Right. So I'm going to put a QR code on this video, so scan it.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next destination. Adios.